Welcome back to episode 21 of the Ear Doctor. So this gentleman presented to our ENT clinic today, complaining of earwax blockage. He does admit to using Q-tips or cotton buds. This patient has been applying the Ear Doctor earwax drops into his ear canal for the past 3 days prior to attending the clinic today. As you can see, his ear canal is very narrow, secondary to using cotton buds or Q-tips, and this in turn has really impacted the earwax, as you can see in this video. Nevertheless, we be patient and gradually try and wiggle the earwax out of the ear canal. Suctioning now is unsuccessful, so we move on to using a different instrument called a wax hook, which is very fine for this narrow ear canal, and we gradually, gently remove the earwax. As you can see, it's a significant amount. We then move on to suctioning again and remove the remaining earwax and dead skin gently. And there you go, successfully we suction the remaining earwax out, and final suctioning of any dead skin that may remain. Thank you for watching, and please follow and like the videos.